Hi guys, Ms. Brown here, and I wanted to show you a new way of accessing your problem sets. Starting this week, you will begin to get assignments that are going to be titled problem sets. So the way that you're going to do the problem sets, when you click on the assignment and you open up to the problem set, there's going to be a page that looks like this. Okay, I have an example page here that I'm going to teach you how you can write on this or type on this. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go over here to the Draw tab and you're going to click on the Draw tab. Once you click on the Draw tab, you have all of these icons here that's going to help you to write your answers on this page. So, for example, I want to use a pen. So I'll go here to this icon. I can choose whichever color I want to write in. I can choose black, blue, green, red, or I can choose from either of these colors here. Okay, just for purposes, for an example, I'm just going to choose a simple black, and I can now begin to write on the document. So like I said, this is going to take some getting used to if you're not used to writing this way with the mouse. Okay, or you can type on the document. If you would like to type, you go here to this icon here, click twice wherever you want to type, and a box like this is going to appear, and all you have to do is move it to wherever you want to type. Okay, so the date, April 27th. All right, so those are two ways that you can answer or respond on the document: writing it with either with colors, or you can type. So let's do some. For example, it says count or add to find the total value of each group of coins. Write the value using the cent sign or the dollar symbol. So of course, I like for you to show your work. So here you could choose a color. This nickel is actually 5 cents, so you can write the number 5. These pennies are worth 1 cent, so you can actually write on the pennies what they're worth, and then add them up. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 1 more is 7, plus 1 more is 8, and plus 1 more is 9. So you can go here, write 9 and the cent symbol. Again, if you would like to type your answer, you would go here, click twice, you can write the words 9 cents. So again, here is your choice if you'd like to type it or write it with the marking pen. Okay, number 2, we have a dime, which we know is worth 10 cents. So I write 10 on the dime, and we know that these are 1 cent. So 10 plus 3 ones is equal to 13 cents. And this is the cent symbol. Again, here, if you would like to type instead of writing it, go here, click twice. If the box appears at the bottom, you can just move it to wherever you want it to go. And then type 13 cents. So it's your choice whether you want to write or type on the document. It's very simple. It takes a little getting used to, but not that difficult to manage. Okay, so after you finish the document, mine says close, but my view is a little different from yours. At the top it will say like turn in, or it may say submit, whatever button up to the right, to the top to the right, and then you would click that. I believe that the button is turn in. So after you complete the whole document, you would click that button and submit your work. Okay guys, that's about it. If you have any questions, just reach out to me, and I will talk to you soon.